Setting up the right workspace is crucial for the success of your 3D printing business. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the essential tools and equipment you'll need to create a productive and efficient 3D printing environment. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your current setup, this information will help you take your 3D printing operations to the next level. Workspace Essentials, the foundation of any successful 3D printing workspace, is a sturdy, well-designed workbench or table. This should be large enough to accommodate your 3D printer, as well as any ancillary equipment and materials. Look for a surface that is level, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. This will help ensure consistent print quality and minimize downtime. In addition to your primary work surface, you'll also want to invest in storage solutions to keep your workspace organized. Shelves, cabinets, and drawers can help you neatly store your 3D printer, filament, tools, and other supplies. Proper storage not only keeps your workspace tidy, but also helps protect your valuable equipment from dust, moisture, and other environmental factors. Essential tools, of course. Number 3D printing workspace would be complete without the right tools. Some of the must-have items include precision screwdrivers and hex keys for printer maintenance and upgrades, pliers, wire cutters, and other tools for post-processing printed parts, calipers and micrometers for measuring your prints, cleaning supplies like isopropyl alcohol, cotton swabs, and paper towels. Investing in these essential tools will help you maintain your 3D printer, ensure the quality of your prints, and keep your workspace running smoothly. Specialized equipment. Depending on the scale and complexity of your 3D printing business, you may also want to consider investing in some specialized equipment. This could include additional 3D printers to increase your production capacity, 3D scanners for capturing physical objects and creating digital models, finishing equipment like sanders, polishers, and painting stations. While these specialized tools may require a larger upfront investment, they can ultimately help you streamline your workflow, improve product quality, and expand the range of services you can offer your customers. Remember, the key to building a successful 3D printing business is to create a workspace that is efficient, organized, and well-equipped. By investing in the right tools and equipment, you'll be well on your way to delivering high-quality 3D printed products to your customers. To see the 3D printer and accessories we recommend, be sure to check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tutorials, and insights on building a thriving 3D printing business.